Hi everyone, this is Alice from WHC Solar. Now I'm in our hybrid inverters factory. Today I will show you why WHC Solar hybrid inverter, the defective rate is less than 0.3%. This is our hybrid inverter production workshop. Now let me introduce the working process to you. This is our hybrid inverters assembling production line, which mainly include locking the mainboard, communications module, and installing other components. All we use the electronics component have passed certification testing, especially mainboard 100% through by ICT and ATE test. Then the mainboard both sides will cover performance coatings. It can prevent moisture, corrosion, and dust. Efficiencies improve hybrid inverter stability. After finishes assembly process, we will do high pulse test to ensure that the installations of the whole machines match safety standard. Then we make ATE testing. It includes 7 circuits tests: MPPT circuits, inverter circuits, charging circuits, fan drive circuit, 3 assist power supply circuit, relay circuit, voltage and current sampling circuit. To make sure the whole machines are working and correct software program. For the next step, we will do 1 hour aging test, including MPPT will load 20 minutes, AC charge 20 minutes, simulate battery discharge will load for 20 minutes. It can improve reliability of the inverters and also eliminates problem caused by components, material, and manufacturing process. Final process, we will do ATE test again to make sure the inverter all function is working well by sending relevant commands. In the entire production process, each inverter will strictly through 6 procedures of 100% test before it delivered to the customer. That's why we keep our hybrid inverter defective rate less than 1.3%. And welcome to visit our factory. Thank you for your watching. Bye.